All right, everybody, we're back. 376, catching up on some time. All paid up, all sold out for the rest of the night, by the way. No more unpaid. Everything is paid for. All right, break 376, 4 boxes of Mosaic baseball. This is new stuff. 3 autos on average per box, so we'll see how it goes. Diamondbacks, William T. Matthew R. Braves, William T. Orioles, John N. Red Sox, Eric F. Cubs, Jeremy F. White Sox, Andres with the Reds, Corey B. with the Guardians, Rocky, Susie S., Corey B. Tigers, Carlos got the Astros, Jason O. Royals, Angels going to Carla, Joseph S. with the Dodgers, Marlins, Jeremy F. with the Brewers, Matt H. Twins, Jason O. Yankees, Jesse G. Mets, Brad W. A's, Robert W. Phillies, Matthew R. Pirates, Joseph S. has the Padres, Giants, Drew L. Mariners, Alex M. Cardinals, Jared F. Rays, Tom T's got the Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. Congratulations to everybody who won their team. Thank you so much for breaking with Wax Zone, where we embrace the chase. Certainly embrace the chase. We've had back-to-back breaks with 1 of 1 cards. Let's see if we can continue the love. Good luck, everyone. He said, is Tyler a mechanic? No, I'm a machine. You two, I swear. Oh my God. Love it. Love it. You guys just have fun over there. For everyone that's just joining us, please like, follow, subscribe. Also, call out your teams, call out your players. And for you baseball fans, we were just talking about, we're going to have a 24-box mixer after the Thanksgiving holiday, so probably in a couple of weeks. 24-box mixer, guys. We got some cool stuff. Some Tier 1. We've got some Inception. We've got some 3 and 2. We've got a whole bunch of stuff. So 24-box baseball mixer. So stay tuned, and let's hope you guys can join us. She said there's a wrench next to Tyler's name. That is true. That is true. That means he's a moderator, yeah. He's a moderator.
Tyler the creator.
Tyler the creator, the moderator.
Oh, this is the new design.
Yeah, new design. So we're just going to fly through a lot of these. All right, first auto is John Heasley. There you go for Kansas City Royals. Jason O. John Heasley. Rookie autograph.
New 2022 Mosaic design.
Silver, yeah, Ron Acuna. That's a Mosaic. Ooh, nice straight fire. Jared Walsh, straight fire. Insert. These are cool. Brash. Ooh, Roger Clemens. This is cool. The throwbacks. Nick Williams. And we have another auto of River San Martin for Cincinnati Reds. Cincinnati with an auto. Eli Morgan, Mosaic rookie. Adam Frazier, Mosaic. Ooh, purple Mosaic of Mackenzie Gore for San Diego. That is number to 49. 5 of 49 for the San Diego Padres. Joseph S. Purple rookie of Mackenzie Gore. That looks very cool. Chris Sale Silver. Abreu Mosaic, straight fire of Goldschmidt.
Good luck, Travis.
And a Chris Bryant Capital Gains Mosaic insert. Yeah, so I guess these are regular, but this was a Mosaic version.
Yeah. Okay.
Base, yeah.
I don't like the base.
No, you don't need to probably do anything with the base, but I'll let you do whatever you want. It's your show. Gavin Sheets.
What?
Brandon Marsh. Duran. There's a Duran Silver. Justin Turner Mosaic. Frank Thomas Long Ball Master Mosaic. He said, what? You know what I need? I need more drink and like a really long straw so I could just go. Or like one of those hats with the drink in it.
More drink?
More drink and like a hat. Like a Jake Myers, McCarthy.
More drink.
A blue of Ryan McMahon for Colorado Rockies. Blue Mosaic. That's going to be the 99. 1 of 99. First one off the line. 1 of 99. There's a Nair Mosaic. Cool.
There you go.
Robin Yount.
Travis, how is Mr. Ryan?
Red Mosaic. Nice. Great fire. Capital Gains. Okay. Duck, diving duck. Travis. One guy says it. Well, that's all right, man. Someone's
got something.
yeah, you got yourself a little something, something.
You got a little Ryan.
Little color. 4 boxes of this, huh?
Yeah.
Interesting concept. Let's see how it works out.
Why do you say that? A lot less than those 2 jumbos you just opened.
Yeah, I know.
It's like 4 boxes of this is like 1 box of jumbo.
Yeah, jumbo does take a long time. Here we go. 90 stars. All right. O'Neal Cruz, Friedel. We have AJ Alexi for Texas. Nice little auto for Tom. Tom with the auto. Torkelson Silver, Semyon, Mosaic. Mazika, Diekman, De La Cruz, Louis Gill Mosaic, Mike Yastrzemski for San Francisco, Red Mosaic. These are not numbered. Okay there? Need some help, buddy?
Okay.
Abrams, Cousins. A Brandon Belt for San Francisco. 99, 52 to 99 blue. That's going to Joseph. Blue Brandon Belt Mosaic. Kenta Maeda Silver. Cedric Mullins Mosaic. And a Brandon Lowe Tampa Bay Blistered Mosaic. Castro, Adams, Otto, Vander Franco, Greg Diekman, Auto for Chicago. That's the Chicago Cubs.
Same box.
Yeah, man. That's what I said.
We got 4.
You got 4 autos?
Yeah.
Damn.
Thanks, Panini.
4 autos in the first box, guys.
Panini.
Joey Votto, Mosaic. Nice voice there. Kevin Gaussman. I didn't know we were doing voices. There, I mean, I could start. Morgan. Like, please don't. Ken Griffey Jr., 90 starts, Mosaic. Brandon Crawford, Mosaic. Like, please don't. All right, yeah, we got 4 autos in this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says 3 on average. So someone's getting averaged down.
Better up than down.
Hopefully it's not us. Yeah, Panini does not have a license, so that's why you don't have the team names. Fanatics and Panini. Wonder how long that they're going to take to announce that merger. Again, you guys, you baseball fans, since it's the last baseball breakup tonight, please be on the lookout for a 24-box baseball mixer. Some cool stuff the week after Thanksgiving. So keep an eye on for that. It's got a little bit of everything. And some nice stuff in there too. Some tier 1, 3 and 2. And some other stuff. Inception. Castro, Adams, Otto, Duran, Mosaic, Candelario, Mosaic, Straight Fire. Vander Franco, Brash, Nair, Glenn Otto Silver, Willie Adames, Mosaic.
PYT, Travis.
Ooh, nice. B-Tool, Vander Franco.
We'll have it listed just like anything else on eBay.
Wow, that looks cool. V-Tool, Vander Franco, Mosaic. Congratulations. Nice Tampa Bay hit. Miles. These are nice cards. I mean, they did a good job. Morgan, Gill, Sheets, a Jose Barrios for Toronto Blue Jays to 99, 2 of 99. Torkelson, Mosaic. Iglesias, red, Mosaic.
Space.
All right. Siri. Ellis. And, ooh, nice. Is that a white?
I love those.
Kevin Smith for the Oakland A's. You okay there?
My voice cracked.
Hello.
Sounded like a frog there.
Yeah, you did. 9 of 25. Congratulations to the Oakland A's. Brad W. Nice rookie. White Mosaic. Kevin Smith.
Color match. Sick.
Color match. Green on white. Beautiful hit. Congratulations, Brad. Jose Ramirez silver. Eloy Jimenez Mosaic. Long ball master Marcus Semien. That's a Mosaic. Odolo, Quan, Abrams, Cousins. Riley Adams for Washington Nationals. Tom. Auto. Whit Merrifield Mosaic. All right. 2 more breaks after this tonight, guys. Both soccer. So stay tuned, my soccer people.
World Cup starts on Sunday.
I'm excited. Who's excited? I'm excited.
But you know what? You know what I noticed when I was checking the groups? Argentina is in the same group as Poland, so oh my gosh.
Oh, so I love the upset. Love the upset. Luke Williams, Kevin Smith, Zach Lothar for Baltimore Orioles auto. That's William T. Vonder Franco silver, nice. Here you go, Tampa Bay with a couple of nice Vonders. Walker Buehler Mosaic, B-Tool, Great Fire, Kyle Lewis. I guess these may be also, whatever. I'll let you figure it out. Shane Baz, Newt Bar, O'Neill Cruz, Robin Yount, Mosaic, 1980s Milwaukee, Anthony Rendon, red Mosaic.
Can you show this real quick?
Yep. Brandon Marsh, Duran, Nick Algier for Toronto, I believe. Yep, Toronto Blue Jays. Tom with a nice silver autograph of Nick Algier. Brandon Lowe silver. Yu Darvish Mosaic, straight fire Max Fried. And Xander Bogart straight fire Mosaic. There you go. But I want to show you the one particular card, this Luke Williams.
There's a couple like that.
A few cards that are just got a lot of schmutz on them.
Yeah.
So the best way you could see it's all like kind of, it's very coarse. It's not, the shine is not on the card.
Almost like glowish kind of.
Yeah, there's some here as well. I just want you to know that is not us sneezing. It is simply just the way these cards are made. It's Mosaic at its best.
Not us sneezing.
It's not us. Jake Myers, McCarthy. Again, a San Martin for Cincinnati, silver. Yippies, Mosaic. Like Snell, Mosaic. Elder, Stott, Gore. A Lance Lynn for Chicago White Sox. Purple. Man, I love that purple Mosaic to 49. 14 of 49. What a beautiful purple. There you go. Tyler Glasnow silver, Luis Roberto Mosaic, and a Clayton Kershaw. So how many did we get this time? We get 3 or 4?
Autos?
2.
Four again?
You got 8 autos?
Yeah, we got 8.
You got 8 autos.
Yeah.
Damn. All right. Just because I wanted something up here.
There's 8 right there.
That's some good stuff. We got two more two more boxes, guys. Call out your teams, call out your players. Let's hear what you're looking for. All right, let's continue the madness. Cabrera, Strider, Tovar, a blue /99, Jeff McNeil for New York Mets. That's going to be 53 of 99. Reyes, silver. Jose Ramirez, Mosaic. Straight Fire, Kyle Tucker. Straight Fire, Max Fried. That's a Mosaic version. Beer. Allen. And Austin Warren for Los Angeles. Silver autograph of Austin Warren. Like LA Angels. Carla, I believe. Nair, silver. Malstraw, Mosaic. Hunter Green, Pena, Bobby Witt. Raleigh, Mosaic. Hernandez, red, Mosaic. More Twins, got it. Let's see what we got. Minnesota. Looking for some Minnesota love. Contreras, Manning. Here's our Kansas City, John Heasley auto again. Mosaic. KC. Gurriel, silver. Peralta, Mosaic. Pujols, Mosaic long ball master. McGill, Santillan, India. Connor Wong for Boston Red Sox. Nice silver, nice auto. Boston, John N. Nice Connor Wong silver autograph. Josh Lowe, Mosaic. Sean Manaea, Mosaic. Man, Mosaic is just one of those products that you sort of remember. It sort of stays in your head. The smell, the feel, all the thousands of boxes we opened of Mega and Hobby, and that's how it all started. Mosaic basketball.
What was the chase? Peacocks?
No. Peacocks and Genesis. And, All right, here we go. De La Cruz, Bauman, Heasley. Cal Raleigh for Seattle Mariners, autograph, silver. There you go, Seattle. Drew. Cal Raleigh. Devers, Mosaic. Fernando Tatis, straight fire. Torkelson, yippies. Yeah, this got that weird film on him. Lopez, 90 stars, Ken Griffey Jr., silver. JD Martinez, Mosaic. A Mancini, Mosaic, blistered. Zerpa, low. Raleigh. Ooh, nice. Did we get a gold? For Minnesota. Yeah, we did. 1 of 10. First base, Terry. Rookie. Gold. Because you asked for it, like I said. Call him out. Matt. There you go, Matt. Gold. 1 of 10. Curtis Terry, gold Mosaic. Congratulations. Got that twin.
My bad. Sorry, look.
Otto Lopez, Mosaic. Nair, red, Mosaic. Straight fire, Torres. Matt Lowe. There you go. Matt got it. Frias. Ramos, Duran, Zerpa Mosaic, Hoskins Mosaic. Friedel, Mazika, Diekman, a blue Mackenzie Gore for San Diego to 99. That's 8 of 99. Mackenzie for San Diego.
Yeah,
Frankie Montos, silver.
base.
I know. Eovaldi, Mosaic. It's terrible. Swagger, Yadier Molina, Mosaic. St. Louis. Yeah, the quality is.
Yeah, just so you guys know, these base cards have the weirdest like film slash. I don't even know how to explain that feel.
But you could see it almost looks like it got rained on and dried.
Yeah, it's.
But it doesn't have that shiny. It's very, very coarse.
Yeah, a lot of the base cards have that. So just so you guys know.
Yeah. Again, not our schmutz. Last box. All right, what are we at? What's the rookie? What's the auto count? Just out of curiosity. Are we still averaging?
Hold on one second.
12. So we're still averaging 4? Wow.
Yep.
Still averaging 4, guys.
So much for 3 on average.
So basically, I'm not even going to say it. What?
Just take a peek and put it back down.
Yeah, I did. So that's the beauty of being a breaker. I got the power.
He's a peeker, you guys. It's weird.
Yeah, I peaked in high school.
He's once more easily.
I think you're being sarcastic.
What?
Oh, Heasley. All right. Let's see what we got here. Bauman, Heasley, Frias, Diekman, Mosaic, Wilson Contreras, Mosaic.
Tyler said you get mad when he peaks.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's true. Ramos, Duran, Torkelson. That's the benefit of being the breaker. Yepes, Jake Cousins, silver, Gaussman, Mosaic, Straight Fire, Gaussman, Nelson Cruz, long ball master, Mosaic. Yeah, a lot of these cards have the crap on them.
Yeah.
And Zerpa, Lopez, another purple of Spencer Turnbull for the Detroit 1949 Tigers. Corey B. Love this purple. Spencer Turnbull. Most valuable player, Otani Mosaic. Nice hit, LA Angels. Wander Franco red. That's a nice one too as well. Nice red, not numbered. Salvador Cuna. Matata. O'Neal Cruz, Friedel, Longoria, blue to 99. That's going to be a 17 of 99 blue Mosaic. A Luis Robert, silver for Chicago White Sox. Stephenson, Mosaic. Straight Fire, Zach Wheeler. Kyle Lewis, Straight Fire, Mosaic. Mazika, Diekman. Dela Cruz for Miami. Joseph, Brian Dela Cruz auto. Jack Flaherty Mosaic. All right, final stack, guys. I was gonna have a ball with that one.
What's this?
Yeah, because there's no team names.
It's so easy though.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. All right, just gotta earn it. Can't just all be easy.
The cities are right here.
All right, just I gotta know the Chicago and the New York and Los Angeles. Right?
I double checked her. I correct the mistake.
Are there mistakes?
There are. Not a lot.
Well, she's fired.
A few.
Fired.
No, don't fire her.
No, I'm gonna tell her you
She's
fired.
not listening.
I'm gonna tell her you fired her. I'm not gonna say
No. Just like I tell other people. Like hire and firing. This is
low. Ooh, this is nasty. You know, so dusty. Rally. What the hell? Joneshwi Fargas. I don't even know who that is. Joneshwi Fargas for Chicago. I assume Cubs. Autograph. Joneshwi Fargas. Eovaldi Silver. Cronenworth Mosaic. A Swagger of Juan Soto Mosaic. Contreras, Manning. We have a Reese Nair. There's for San Diego as another auto. De La Cruz, Mosaic. Kyle Lewis, Mosaic. Great Fire, Cedric Mullins. Santian. Jonathan India. Cabrera. A blue Ty France to 99 for Seattle Mariners. 9 of 99. Ty France. Blue Mosaic. Paul Goldschmidt. He just won something, I think. MVP or something. Joe Adell, Mosaic. A blistered Ryan Reynolds for Pittsburgh, Mosaic. Goldie. Strider, Kovar, Beer, Alexi. AJ Alexi again. That's for Texas. Auto. Nolan Ryan, Silver. Throwback. Kyle Tucker, Mosaic.
Yep.
McAllen, Green, Pena, Bauman, Mosaic. Red Mosaic, Corbin Burns, Goldschmidt.
We do have 4 more boxes of this from the same case tomorrow, you guys.
There's a nice divot right there. That's not us, but there is. All right, recap time. Let's go through the numbers first. Ty France to 99, blue Mosaic. Spencer Turnbull, purple to 49. Mosaic. Mackenzie Gore to 99, blue Mosaic. Jeff McNeil, blue to 99, Mosaic. Lance Lynn, purple Mosaic to 49. Jose Barrios, blue Mosaic to 99. Brandon Belt to blue Mosaic to 99. Ryan McMahon, blue Mosaic to 99. Mackenzie Gore, purple Mosaic to 49. A Kevin Smith, white Mosaic to 25. And a Curtis Terry, gold Mosaic to 10. Our autos are, what do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, we only got 3 the last one. All right. Still 15 autos. Nice bet. Alexi, Fargas, De La Cruz, Cal Raleigh, Connor Wong, Easley, Warren, Austin Warren, San Martin, Al Geyer, Lothar, Adams, Diekman, Alexi again, San Martin again, and Heasley again. So a lot of repeats, but a lot of autos.
Oh,
Thank you.
There's one more auto.
Oh, wait, there's one more auto. We actually did
I'm still sleeving.
There you go. We actually got 4 autos per box. Reese Nair. We got 16 autos, yo. 4 per box. All right, guys. We'll be back with soccer in a few minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.